It was more rust than car, but I was a bit naive at the time, and that's the only one I could afford. I was browsing looking for just any old project at the time, and I always had a hankering for Datsuns. I think my wallpaper on my computer was set to one at the time, and that was the only one I found that I could afford that wasn't also on the other side of the country, and so I made a bad decision and bought it for 1,800 bucks. Had to learn to weld on the car, had to rebuild the engine, never done any of that before, but thanks YouTube. The Z is 8 cars welded together, plus reproduction floor pans and about 3 million homemade patches. As far as original stuff goes, on the outside, about the only thing is the roof skin and part of the A-pillars. On the inside, transmission tunnel, some of the firewall in the rear parcel area, but other than that, there's probably 50% of the sheet metal is other cars or bits. After I got the car and I tore it down and realized just how much filler and just terribleness was in it, I decided I was a bit depressed and decided to take a break from it for a bit. I then decided to drop out of college and drive a 1.2 liter hatchback to Mongolia with some people I met online, so that took a bit of time as well. Decided while I was on that trip, you know what, I'm gonna actually get back to work on this thing when I get home, and so I did. At this point, I think the next thing is just get some of the little non-critical things it needs and just refinement. Like, I don't have door cards, the clutch fan is seized on, but you know, doesn't hurt anything. I need a quieter exhaust and a battery that starts the car all the time, but just improve reliability and make it nicer to drive. The number of new parts on the car is very slim, and it's limited to just stuff that you have to do, you know, new brake pads and a couple bearings and that sort of thing, but for the vast majority of the stuff is cut-offs and take-offs from other people's cars and stuff I've bought and repurposed and just made work. It gets a lot of reactions. There's always a few people who are like, oh, what color are you going to paint it, and when are you going to paint it, and you know, I appreciate that, but there's also an equal number, if not more, who are like, I love it as it is and never touch it. And honestly, I'm kind of leaning towards that group for now, because it's not intentional, but it ended up being pretty unique. As far as driveline goes, it has a stock inline 6 L26 that has headers and a carb, 240SX transmission, 5-speed, Subaru rear diff, and a drive shaft I shortened myself and has not blown up yet, so that's nice. Honestly, it drives really well. Considering I built my suspension from scratch, used springs off someone's Datsun race car, and just totally eyeballed and, you know, guessed going off of old forum threads for a lot of stuff, it's really nice to drive. It's incredibly direct, you feel really connected to the road, and it's just a good experience. Yeah, over the past few years I've made a ton of friends on various forums and Facebook through this car, and some local, some not. People have been amazing about helping getting it on the road. I've gotten people have like let me ship stuff to their house because someone wouldn't ship to Canada. I've had people loan me specialized tools. I've gotten sweetheart deals on, you know, funky parts that should be a lot more expensive than just, you know, been able to go out and drive with other Datsun enthusiasts that I met through the car. It's a really cool experience. Yeah, at some point I'd like to do a few road trips in it. Going to British Columbia, I'd also like to drive down to Florida at some point, which would probably be the one time it would ever see snow for like a day. But I just want to make sure it's reliable and then just drive the wheels off it. I mean, I have no plans to sell it. That could change in the future, but I've put so much literal blood, sweat, and tears into it that I don't think I could ever sell it. And I don't know how much of a selling point in an ad it is that it's 8 cars welded together. My name is Ellie, and this is my 1974 Datsun 260Z.